Hey YouTube, how we doing today? Well, as you can see, we've got something here on the channel from Gerber. I know, huge freaking shock, right? But I mean, gee, I wonder exactly what it's going to be. And oh yeah, so I'm getting it out of the way. That little rattling in there is just the paperwork from California saying this product could cause cancer. But stay tuned after we roll that intro. I'm going to show you what came in that box. Alright YouTube, thank you so much for staying past that intro. Now as you saw, we're going to take a look at the Gerber Airlift FE, like Foxtrot Echo, champagne. Now the champagne just basically refers to the color of the blade. Okay? So that's, oops, this guy right here. I mean, it's got a nice size to it. My God, I'm tongue-tied today. Sorry, it was just one of those really, really long nights last night. I wish I could blame alcohol, but yeah, no, just couldn't get to sleep. Seriously, I love the way the blade looks. That lanyard hole is one of the most aggressive that I've ever seen. It's like, bam, right there, right in your face. And the frame itself reminded me seriously of like a paraframe on steroids. I got it just simply because of the color combination and honestly the price. Thought it was a neat price to be able to bring a video to the channel. But with all that fun stuff out of the way, let's get into the stats and all the fun stuff. Overall length of 7 inches. The blade is 2.80. Enclosed, it's 4.20. It's got a pretty hefty weight to it for something you wouldn't expect to with this one, of 3.52 ounces. It is done what they call the clip point style. It's got a fine edge, as you can see. None of the serrations on there from Gerber that they are so happy to put on there. And it has a bronzy type finish that gives it that champagne look. Now the steel, I know it's crap, okay? It's 5CR 15 MOV. For the price point of this blade, I did not expect anything huge. Yeah, it'll dull quick, but it sharpens up real freaking easy. Now, the handle itself is just stainless steel, and it has a black coating over the top in order to help, corrosion resistance, scratch resistance, all that other wonderful stuff that we all know is bunk because you drop this once and you're going to put some neat little marks on it. As you can see, we do have a frame lock, and this one's kind of weird. Well, heck, it's basically a one-position thumb stud. Yeah, right hand opening, just to go with the single position pocket clip, which is right hand carry, tip down. As I showed you in the beginning, it's got a big old aggressive lanyard hole here. And this blade, as we can tell by everything we've seen from Gerber, if you don't see made in Portland, that means it's made in China. Now what I like is Gerber says this one combines the durable frame of the paraframe and the streamlined design of the ripstop. Well, I don't have a ripstop. I do have a paraframe and I like that, but I may have to go get a ripstop just to see what the heck they're talking about. Now, let's do some of the fun that we love to do here on the channel. Heavy duty stock paper. Yeah, I did that one intentionally slow and about as close as I could, just to see if I could get that. Not to mention, I don't know if you can see it too well. There's very few flakes on the blade itself. So that's kind of cool, especially for 5CR. Paracord. Simple pull. Not too bad. Here, I gotta do that one more time so I can get stuff for a slice. Okay, went through no problem. And our friend, Mr. Ratchet Strap. As I said in a previous video, his other brother died for the channel, so he decided to come on board and give it a go. Yeah, it's my fault how I was holding it. That's all on me. But okay. Not too bad. Okay, so we took a look for cost, all that wonderful stuff, as we usually do on Amazon, Gerber, and Blade HQ. On Amazon, it's $23.77 with free shipping. Gerber, it's a flat $27, and Blade HQ is $16.99. It's been reviewed once on Blade HQ, and it's got a 3 out of 5 star rating. Over on Gerber, it's only been reviewed 4 times, and it got a 4 out of 5. And on Amazon, it's been reviewed 18 times and scored a 3.4 out of 5. So here we go to the fun part, guys. This is the part of the video I really love, especially seeing how it's a Gerber blade, and this always brings out some interesting comments. Is it a noise? We're gonna drop some F-bombs today. Noise? Are we gonna see some F-bombs? Yep. Leave me your questions, comments, love, hatred, anger, everything down below like you guys usually do. Especially on Gerber blades for some reason. I don't know why. It just brings out the best in everybody. Sorry, trying to stifle a laughter there. Oh, all right, let's go to the fun wrap-up. So if you're a first-time viewer of the channel, I want to thank you so much for taking a moment of your day to view this video. I know there are a crap load of options out there on YouTube, and I'm very flattered you chose one of mine. Now, for you first-time guys and you long-time dudes who did not do it at the beginning of the video, here's your second chance at redemption. Right down there. That's right, right in there. There's going to be a big old channel symbol popping up here in a moment. Go ahead and click on that thing. It's going to bring you right to subscribe. Now, after you've beat up the subscribe button, go ahead and kick its little brother in the ass, the bell icon. Why? Good question. It's going to notify you, that's right, you, and you, my amazing viewer, every single time this channel uploads a video. Now, speaking of videos, 2 of them are going to pop up. That's right, over there. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my catalog that they think are going to be a great viewing experience for you. But there we go, guys. My tabletop look at the Gerber Airlift Foxtrot Echo Champagne. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a beautiful rest of your day.